Hi everybody, this is your tutorial on how to use Adobe Spark. The first thing you're going to need to do is go to Firefox, which is Mozilla Firefox search engine. This is the only search engine that I feel that Adobe Spark works the best with. So the first thing you want to do is just type in Adobe Spark and search. And it is this website that you're going to want to use, which is spark.adobe.com/. So when you click on that, you're going to come to this page and you're going to sign in. So start now. I'm going to sign in using Google, and you guys can do the same thing. So once I get there, I'm going to type in my email and my password. I never click for the program to remember my password because I feel that it helps me remember my password better every time that I have to type it in. So I would suggest you do the same. So I'm going to allow. And when you get to the website, you're going to see something like this. In order to create an Adobe Spark video, you're going to want to go to the yellow plus sign. Once you click on that, you'll see a web page that looks like this, and I'd like you to make a video. So you're going to click video. You are free to use this and go through all of these steps, but I just skip them. And there are all different types of Adobe Spark videos that you can use, and you can explore those on your own. But for today, I'm just going to go ahead and start from scratch. So as I start from scratch, I'll be able to build a great video that's a great response to my essential question project. So I'm going to click, OK, I'm ready. Unless you want to watch the tutorial, that's completely up to you. So when you're ready, you're going to have a screen that looks like this. And from this, you are going to build your ideas. These are the three main tabs up here that you're going to want to use to be able to develop your Adobe Spark video. So the first is that you want to pick a theme, and you can pick any theme that you want. It's completely up to you. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to pick maybe this one here. Okay, so what I have is the first step of my program. So once you click on the plus sign, there's many different things that you can do. But if you click on the plus sign, you can insert a photo, an icon, or text. So it's up to you what you'd like to do, but for this purpose, I'll just do a sample. So this is my final, you guys know I can't spell, my final project. And then that's what I want my first slide to be. So when you're ready to move on, you can go ahead and click the plus sign down here. And with that plus sign, it will insert a new slide. So the next thing that I want to show you is the layout. The layout is up in the top right-hand corner up here, and you can at any time click on any one of these to create your slide. So if you want the next one to be two things, that's what you can do. So the other options that you have here are that you have photo, icon, and text, like I said. Let's just say that I want to insert an icon. So I'm going to type in school. That's going to be the theme of my project. So you're going to get all these different icons, and you can choose whatever icons that you like to really make your project come to life. So I'm going to choose this little school here. And then over here, I'm going to just add a piece of text, perhaps, and say school in the past. So that kind of describes that a little bit. So great, that's my next one. Now, my next slide, I'm going to want to add a little bit of flair. So I'm going to pick one thing, and I'm just going to make a photo of school, and I'd like to make it the background. So I really like this picture. And when I choose that, I'll be able to use that as my entire background. You still have the option to pick another photo or icon or text, whatever you'd like, and you can be as creative as possible. So let's just in this one say I want to write be prepared. Of course, I spell it wrong. You guys know I do that all the time. So that's great. That's my next slide. So with my final slide, I'm going to want to maybe choose, again, a thing in a caption. So I'm going to choose another photo, and I really like this dog here. I've been wanting to use him. So below the dog, I'm going to add some text. I'm going to say, this is what it means to be cool. So that's my project right in a nutshell. So one more thing I'd like to do is show you about the music and the microphone. So let's do the microphone first. If you would like to put some audio into your project, which I would recommend that you do, I would like you to click on this little button here and you can talk into the microphone. So you have to click and hold. So it says, oops. And that's what's going to come up. And you want to definitely make sure that the microphone that you're using is available for you to be able to speak. So share select device. So I'm going to click on this and it's going to say, this is what it means to be cool. And then just release when you're done. And if you'd like to hear what you have to say, this is what it means to be cool. And once again, my voice is really loud and I'm very sorry. So you can, let's just say you don't like that. You can click on the 3 seconds, remove narration, boom, you're all set. So I want to do this again. This is what it means to be cool. I'll play it back. This is what it means to be cool. And that's all you have there. You'll notice in the background that there was some music. If you click on the music tab, you can add your own music, but I've never done that. If you'd like to try that, that's completely up to you. But you can click any of these little instrumental musics that they have, and you can feel free to use anything. So if I want to say old country accordion, let's pick this one out. It looks like it's taking a second to come to work. Oh, that's perfect. Okay, I'm going to use that one. So if I want to preview, I'm just going to go ahead and do this. This is what it means to be cool. And after you see that, you can decide whether or not you want to make some changes. Once you're ready to be done, you go ahead and click on the share button here. And you're going to click, you can type whatever you want in here, your name, but you have to pick a category here, and you could pick, education. I'm not really sure at this point if it matters. But the most important thing you have to do is create a public link. Once you do that, you're going to be able to share this link with me, and then I'll be able to see your video as well as everyone else. And we're going to post these links to a Padlet so that everybody can see everybody's video in response to the essential questions. So this may take a couple of minutes. And once the link comes up, like I said, you can just copy and paste it right into a Word document and you'll have that. You should be able to play that wherever the link is posted. So Adobe Spark is a really great way to take ideas and put them into words, put them into pictures, put them into music, and kind of connect everything at once. So once you get this, you're going to copy and paste this link here into a Word document, a Google Docs, or anything that you want, and you will be free to share your project with everyone. So I hope this helps, and it'll be super awesome to see what you guys have to come up with. So good luck.